Hi friends, this video shows how to add second remote to Google TV streamer 4K device. First go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner, or you can directly go and select this Bluetooth option as well. So let me go to this all settings, then go down, set remotes and accessories. And here you can see I already paired one remote, Google TV remote. I am going to add one more remote. Set this option, pair remote or accessory. Select this. Now searching for accessories. Now let me take another remote. In this remote I need to press and hold these two buttons, back and home button. These two buttons I need to press and hold together. Let me press and hold. Okay, done. So now you can see on right side top you can see Chromecast remote. That is a new remote. Let me set that. Now it's pairing. Please wait. Okay, paired. See, now under this voice remote section you can see two remotes, Google TV remote, then Chromecast remote. Okay, so this way we can add second remote. Okay, so now I have added two remotes. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. So let me try to control with the second remote. See, it's working. Okay.